September 3rd, 2024 in Racine, Wisconsin, officers were dispatched to a school where a woman kidnapped her own child so she wouldn't lose custody of him. She flew from Arizona all the way to Wisconsin to attempt to escape the legal consequences. Officers have no idea the amount of trouble she's about to cause them right in front of her own child.
Michaela?
Yes.
I'm Detective Schuster with the Caledonia Police Department. We need to talk. You two need to come outside.
Okay.
You can stay here.
Okay.
Please outside.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
These people the officer asked to step outside are Michaela's parents. Take note that they'll be watching through the door everything that's about to happen.
What's this guy's name?
My name's Carson.
Hi, Carson.
Hello,
I'm Detective Schuster. How are you?
Good.
Good. Good. We got to have a conversation. You want to close that door, LT?
Okay. Hello.
I'm assuming you know what this is about.
Huh? Yeah, with the dad and all that.
Yeah. Would you mind taking,
Can I just do like the assessment I have to do with him?
No. With Carson real quick, would you mind just going in there? Carson, would you mind going with your teacher for a second?
We're gonna go look and we can play games out here, okay?
Obviously,
We know.
it sounds like you missed a court date or something.
In Arizona, because they told me that they were going to take him from me at the courthouse.
Okay.
So I was not going to fly out there and then have my son be taken from me. I currently have an OP against Connor right now. My mom does too for harassment.
In Wisconsin?
Yeah, in Wisconsin.
Okay, because you missed court, they gave full custody to your ex. So, right now...
How is that possible? Because he's like a felon.
There's a court order
because you didn't
for
show
it.
up to court.
Because I never actually got served. I didn't even know about it. It was supposed to be over
Well,
there.
I'm not going to argue with what's going on in court
So they got
in Arizona.
custody, so we got to take you into custody right now.
No, I can't.
Yeah, it's going to happen. So
No, how is that? No, I
just
cannot
relax.
do that right now.
Relax.
No, I can't go into
Let's
custody.
listen.
It's my son's day. It's my son's day.
Relax.
No, I'm
relax,
at the school.
Relax.
I have seizures. No,
you're not listening to me.
No, it's my
Listen,
son's day.
I don't want
I'm
to
not going to
traumatize
jail.
him.
I'm not
You're
going to jail.
traumatize him. You're going to traumatize your son. Relax.
No, tell me what's going on.
Relax.
With my
We
mom,
already
please.
told you.
No, why am I
We
going
already
to
told
jail?
you. Relax.
You can't take Carson.
Relax.
No, my parents can. You guys No, you guys can't do that!
Remember that Michaela's parents are observing from right outside. They're about to make a huge mistake.
Stay away. Back up. 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 We are the police. Back up. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
I'm getting my glasses.
I don't care. Here. Get out.
You're
now.
not doing
Get out. Get out.
You're not
Thank
doing
you.
this. I have an order of protection against him. Okay?
Officers now need to inform Michaela about where her son will have to go without her freaking out further.
Relax. We tried to do this peacefully.
I have epilepsy.
Hey,
I'm gonna have a seizure.
call dispatch. We need a marked car here now.
No, why?
All right,
I don't want my
thanks.
son taken. Dude,
Bye.
I will never see him again. You don't
Put your
realize
shoes
this? You don't realize this, sir?
Relax.
I know.
We had this chance. Are these yours?
No, I'll never see my son ever again.
These are hers?
Yeah, I'll never see my
Okay.
son ever again.
Do you have anything else on
Let me
you?
tell you.
I understand what you're saying. I heard you. I heard you.
Nobody's contacted me at all.
Relax. We'll talk about this later. Now's not the
I
time.
go to jail.
We tried to do this peacefully,
I know.
and you didn't.
Because I'm scared.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Epilepsy, I'm sorry, I'm scared, okay?
Well,
I don't want my son. My son has to go with my parents, okay? He cannot go away.
he's not. He's
not-
coming with me.
No, he can't.
He is.
No, he'll freak out.
What do you want to do?
Can't. Please, you guys have to understand the situation, okay? I currently have an OP
explain.
against him, okay? Nobody's told me about this, okay?
We're gonna go to the police department and we're gonna have a conversation about this. Right now, he's a missing child.
No, he isn't.
He's
Yes,
in the
he
system
is.
as a missing child.
Nobody's told me that whatsoever.
That's because you haven't been in contact with court.
I'm a Wisconsin resident now.
Because you took your son from Arizona without consent.
No, I had a lawyer,
That's
and I was
it.
allowed to leave the state.
I'm gonna talk to your parents real quick. You hang out here with
Have a
Detective
seat.
Schuster.
This is embarrassing.
Have a seat. Well, we told you.
Nobody told
Sit
me
down.
anything. I'm
Sit.
not talking to anybody.
Stay there. Don't move. Everything's good, okay?
Okay.
Just a little longer.
Okay.
Carson, you should have went to court. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. You should have went to court.
But be told that my son was going to be taken from me at court?
Well, he probably wouldn't have been if you had gone to court.
My son cannot be taken from me right now. We're just starting school. We're just doing everything. I'm a good
You
mom.
hear?
Well, we need some type of marked cage car. She's in custody. Things are calm now. She was fighting, but things are calm.
Sorry, I got really scared.
Get me somebody as soon as possible.
Sure.
All right, bye.
I'm sorry, you seem mad at me?
I'm not mad at you. I'm disappointed. I didn't want to do this in front of your kid. I tried very hard not to do this in front of your kid. This is not what I wanted to do.
Why did you guys meet us at my apartment? I've been there. I've been staying there.
Milwaukee's been to your apartment before.
No, they haven't.
Okay, well, I'm not going to argue with you about things that have been done, and we're not going to discuss it here with your kid in the next room.
My kid can't go with that.
He's going, whether you want him to or not.
Damn.
He is. It's going to happen.
He's going to Arizona with that.
He's going to go to Arizona.
No, he can't. He can't.
I'm sorry.
Oh, he can't. I would never see him again.
We have more information about the aftermath of this incident and how Carson's custody rights were affected coming up, as our team has been in direct contact with the father himself. But first, this officer soon runs into some unexpected problems.
There's not much I can do.
They're trying to take him from me. They're the real people that are trying to kidnap him.
There's not much I can do.
Why?
Because my hands are tied.
How?
Court order is a court order.
I will talk to my mom.
No, we're done with that. I'm not going to give you any of the courtesies.
Why?
Because you fought with us.
What?
Because you fought with us.
I'm sorry.
Hi, this is Schuster from Caledonia. Remember I called earlier? I need an agent to come out to Gifford Elementary. I explained it to the other lady. There is no report. There will be a report. We have a missing and endangered kid from Arizona.
No, he's not endangered. He's not missing.
And I need you guys to come out and take custody of him.
No.
Okay, well, now I can't do that right now, but I need someone to come out because there's only two of us and everybody else is on a PI accident.
Wait, we can do this later so I can talk with like the district attorney.
Sure.
Big word with them, and I have.
We'll talk about it later, not now.
But my kid can't go with them right now.
Not now.
He'll be taken.
Not now. I know this is a lot, but we tried very hard not to do this way.
You'll never see me again.
Okay, I'll give you some basic information. What do you need?
More officers now arrive as the officer is still on the phone.
No.
She can go back to the PD, please. I got CPS on the line. They make me make a report now.
Did somebody search you already?
Yeah, we patted her down.
But we're not going to.
Do you want a rescue squad to come check you out?
No, I just want my son.
Well, if you say you're going to have a seizure.
Okay.
So I'm telling you right now.
No.
I mean, you having a seizure is not going to help you see them faster, right?
I'm
Okay.
fine. Let's just
Well,
go.
so I want to know which one is it. Are you fine or are you going to have a seizure? I don't have much information for you.
Thanks, boss. Carson can come out here, and you can do your assessment if you'd like.
Carson was taken by Child Protective Services and eventually returned to his father back in Arizona. Michaela originally showed up at Carson's school in Arizona and took him to Wisconsin, where she hid for almost 8 months. Statements from the father indicate that Carson was eventually listed as a missing person, and a felony warrant was issued for her arrest out of Arizona, which led to the body cam you just witnessed. The father states that due to her actions, she lost all custody and parenting rights. Interestingly, the school Michaela was attempting to enroll Carson in at the time of her arrest saw that he was listed as a missing person, which caused officers to come out. Wisconsin court records indicate she was extradited back to Arizona. She is presumed innocent, as